Hi guys, we're about to head over to the beauty store. It's not that far away from me and I have to run some errands anyway, so I'm just gonna go on my way, get some things. I know I look a mess, it's okay. We're about to be transformed and renewed, so not too much, okay? Not too much. Let's go.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorties BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they were blind. Wow, she love me so much, it seems like she biased. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live at the high. Hey.
Okay, so we're back from the beauty store now. First of all, I got some braiding hair. This was $13.99. I got some beads. I got white, colorless, and a dark brown. It looks very black, but it's a dark brown. The next thing we got was the detangling brush. I really hope the lighting is okay. Anyway, this I've been seeing all over TikTok. Some black castor oil. I have run out and I need this. I got this shine and jam. I'm not sure how effective this will be, and I still have a little bit of the yellow left. Last but not least, we have some ORS. I'm planning to blow dry my hair, so I got this just to protect my hair. We're gonna see how it goes. Basically, that's it. Now we're just gonna take out my cornrows. I feel like the lighting is weird. This is my little tiny Winnie afro. This afro hasn't gotten any bigger since like 4 years ago, honestly. Now we're gonna go wash my hair real quick. I'm trying to find all the hair that came out of my head. Oh, there it is. So this is all the hair that came out of my head today. It's not that much. We're gonna quickly go wash our hair. I don't really do much in terms of washing my hair. I probably will just wash it, dip condition, and then like a green tea rinse. That's all I really do. I don't do much. So it's actually been a couple hours. My hair is dry and crunchy as crunch can be. I was able to part it into 4 sections, but it's very dry and crunchy. I had to do a couple things around the house, so I've been busy all day doing stuff. Now I just want to add some more moisture and also blow dry my hair. Every time I try to blow dry my hair, it never works out, but today we're gonna hope and pray. Fingers crossed it actually works out this time around. Right now it's 10 p.m. at night, so I'm really hoping I can do my braids tomorrow. So it's currently the next day. It's actually 7 p.m. right now, and I'm about to braid my hair. I haven't had time to get into my hair. I also have things to do tomorrow morning, so I have to finish this hair tonight. Basically, yesterday I blow dried my hair, and it's not the most stretched out, but it's not in its natural texture, and that's all that matters. We're about to get into braiding my hair. I've done this style so many times before, and I have a couple tutorials on my channel as well, so you can watch that if you want a tutorial, but this is more of like a vlog. Hi guys, so it's actually the next day. Unfortunately, your girl has been busy. I'm moving very slow, but today I plan to finish my braids. I started them yesterday and it's like halfway done. They're not looking how I want them to look. It's not looking what I wanted at all. I feel like it's very thick and I didn't plan to have it this thick. I don't know how I'm gonna feel by the end of this video. I still look a mess. It's okay. I'm just about to start now, and hopefully by the end of tonight I should be able to complete my head. Mind you, the front is always ×3 of the back. We got it though. I'm just gonna put my Netflix. By the way, I don't think I actually proper said hi to you guys in this video. I think it was very quick, but hi guys, what's good? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Angie, and today's video is obviously me just getting my hair done, the whole process. Anyway, let's get into my braids. Taking me an awfully long time to finish this hair. I don't know why, but we're gonna finish it. Okay, we have to finish it today. I have 2 hours to get this done, and I need to get this done immediately. So it's actually the next day, and yesterday I was able to complete my braids. I trimmed every strand and I put it in some hot water, so it's very flexible right now. The lighting for this video is absolutely horrendous. My room is a basement room, so there's not enough natural lighting coming in, but I'm gonna figure it out.
You can wait until I feel flawless, baby, what you call this? If the shit don't involve money, I'm off it. I can be a role model. Jimi Hendrix, before we end it. No more ghost rips or GT3. No more voice shows, no MTV. So you won't step away, I can tell you. That's where you won't go after you can't with me. Try to set it off before I turn 23. I could teach you how to ball if you just let a nigga be. We be so high, that's why we so low key. She wanna fly with you, let's make 3. I'll be your role model.
Okay y'all, so this is the end of the video. We're done with the braids. I don't have time to do my makeup, do my edges, whatever. I have to edit this video and have it out by tomorrow. Basically, this is how the braids turn out. I'm actually starting to like them now. Before I put the beads in, I didn't like them, but now I really like them. Do you hear the sound? What's your name, B.O.B.? So they calling you Bob? Yes, ma'am. It's me, I'm Bob. But anyway, I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. I definitely looked a mess throughout this video, but not my hair's done, so my hair's done. I'm planning to be as consistent as I can from now on. But I'll catch you guys in my next video. See ya. Catch ya later, boo.